The Gaelic Otherworld was a realm beyond linear time, a parallel world inhabited by the Aes She, otherwise known as the fairies. This realm shaped much of the daily life, imagination and psyche of our Irish ancestors. It was a mysterious realm, just beyond the veil of ordinary sight. This workshop, Meeting the Gaelic Otherworld, Embarking on the Mist-Filled Path, Sacred Time and the Numinous, explores Carl Jung's concept of individuation and the role of the numinous in psychological transformation and trauma healing. Here we encounter the wisdom of the ancestors and their ways of seeing and being in the world, how these ancestral customs, stories and rituals act like symbolic gateways into our own inner world and depths, or as Yeats called it, the condition of quiet that is the condition of vision. Through the lens of Irish folklore, sacred wells, tales of fairy encounters and the otherworld, we deepen connection to our own inner depths, becoming curious about what was passed down the lineage and seeing how the past continues to shape the present, and how we can come to break old unconscious patterns that no longer serve us in order to step into our own authentic life, towards wholeness and authenticity. This is a visceral, visual meditation of Ireland, its indigenous ways and ancestral wisdom, designed to evoke and stir the senses and imagination. It is a unique journey of personal development and discovery that honours not just ourselves, but our ancestors.